Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe and maybe excited for my class. So I'm here to teach you SST Standard 3 Chapter 19 and the chapter name is Our Government. So today we will start the chapter, new chapter. It's in civics part. So before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your homework which you received on online classes. Please complete your homework in good handwriting, in legible handwriting, and use dark pencil. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly so that you will be safe from this virus. Follow all the guidelines which government has told us to follow. Protect yourself and your family from this virus. And please complete your all homework because once the school will open, I just want all the homework. I have the record, so it's better that you should complete your all homework at your home in good handwriting. So let's start the chapter. I'm going to read the chapter. So you also take out your book. If you don't have the book, then please purchase your book as soon as possible. Now, at home, your parents and elders look after you. They give you food, clothes, and shelter. They also make rules that you have to follow at home. Now suppose that at home, whenever you are at home, your parents or maybe your elders look after you if you are sick or if you are playing with good things or not. In fact, they provide you, they gives you the food, the clothes to wear and the shelter to live to protect you from the heat, cold, rain. They make also some rules that we have to follow. In fact, my parents also made some rules that we have to follow at home. In exactly your parents also make some rules and you have to follow that rules at home. For example, you may have to water the plants or make your bed every day. Like for example, like your parents are told that you have to watering the plants, or maybe you can make your bed every day clean. In school, your teacher look after you. Exactly in the school also your teachers they looks after you. After all the students, the teacher look in the school. They explain your lesson and help to study. Teacher is what they explain your lessons, the chapters. They explain you they help you in study. In fact, they teach you a good discipline, good manners. So they also make rules that you follow in school. So in school also some rules is there that you have to follow in school in properly. For example, you have to finish the homework that they give you. So like one rule is there that if teacher will give you the homework, you have to finish the homework at the time that the teacher give you. So that is also some rules that in school we have to follow and at home also we have to follow. Like that, it is our government. So like that in our country also, we know that our country is very big. So that we have to take care of our country. So for that we have to follow some rules for all the citizens, not only one people. There are some rules is there that we have to follow for the all citizens. Next, in our country too, we need someone to take care of us and make rules that we have to follow. So like in the same our country also, or maybe in different countries, they have to take care of us, of the people who lived on that country, and they have to make some rules also that we should follow. Like in our country we have some rules that so that it will take care of us, and in fact we have to follow that rules. So who does this very important work? It is the government. Now who will make the rules and who will take care of all the citizens. So that is the government. That is the government. Government means a group of people who ruled in a country. So it is the government responsibility that the government has to take care of all the citizens in our country, and it is our rules that we have to follow, the all rules of the citizens which the government has told us to follow. There are different types of government in the world. So in the world there are different types of government. There are two types of government. It is monarchy and democracy. So the first is what about the monarchy is, some countries are ruled by kings and queens. This type of government is called a monarchy. So please underline this line that some countries are ruled by kings and queens. This type of government is called a monarchy. So the countries which are ruled by the kings and the queens, that type of government is called a monarchy. That types of government is called monarchy. Next, also you can underline, some countries like India do not have a king or queen. Some countries like India do not have a king or queen. The government of India is chosen by its people. This type of government is called a democracy. So there are two types of government in the world, not in India. There are two types of government in the world. First is monarchy and the second is democracy. Monarchy is what, like some countries which is ruled by the kings and queens. Some countries which are ruled by kings and queens. So that type of government is called a monarchy. And the democracy is what, some countries like India. In India, we do not have a king and queens. The government of India is chosen by the people of the citizen of that country. The government of India is chosen by its people. Its people means by India's people. So that type of government is called a democracy. Means we are just the people of the cities, the India citizens work that we have to choose the government who just fit for our country, who just take care of us for all the peoples. So we, the only peoples of the India, they has choose that government of India. So that government is called a democracy. So again I am repeating, monarchy is what, the countries which are ruled by the kings and queens. That type of government is called monarchy. And the government of India is chosen by its people of the country. That type of government is called democracy, and where has no kings and queens ruled. Next, did you know is there? We can see here. In India, people choose the government by voting for their leaders in elections. Exactly, you know that in elections, the people is what, the people of that country, the citizens, they are just choose the government by voting their leaders, their favorite leaders. They think that yes, that the leader is there who can take care of us. So we just elect, give the votes, and then after we are giving the votes, we are the people who choose the government for ourselves. It is our rights that we have to follow. We have to choose the government who can take care of us in this country for all the citizens. Their votes are counted, and the leaders who get the most vote form the government. After that, the people of the cities, the people of that country, they just give the votes. After that, the votes are counted, and the leaders who get the more votes, they form the government. After that, they become the government of that country. Now the three basic rules of the government that we will see in the next videos, lecture number 2. So please guys, watch the lecture number 2. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day and bye bye.